Welcome to PUC second year student. Today let us study the chapter number 3 in microeconomics. The chapter number 3 is production and cost. In production and cost, today let us study the short-run costs. In the previous period, we have discussed about the long-run costs and how they are calculated, what are its formulas. Yesterday, we have discussed about that syllabus. Today let us study the short-run costs and what are the short-run costs and what are the types of short-run costs and what are the relation between inputs and the outputs and what is fixed and what is variable and how to calculated the number of types of short-run costs. Today let us study the one by one. First of all, you have to understand the meaning of short-run costs. In short-run costs, there are some factors which are fixed and while others are variables. Similarly, short-run cost can be divided into number of types. They are fixed costs, total variable costs, and total cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost, and average cost and marginal cost. There are number of costs are there. How to calculate the number of types of cost we have to see today. First, the types of cost is that is fixed cost. That is fixed cost. The fixed cost, it means that those costs which do not vary with level of output is called the fixed cost. Once again, what is fixed cost? The fixed cost refers to those costs which cost do not vary with the level of output is called as the fixed cost. The fixed costs, for example, rent of the factory and the salaries of permanent employees and the maintenance of buildings and license fees or etc. These are the examples for the fixed costs. Fixed costs are those costs which do not vary directly with the level of output. It is called as the fixed costs. Fixed costs, it means the costs are fixed. The output may be increased or decreased, but cost of fixed cost is do not increase or decrease. It is always fixed. It is always fixed. There may be increase in output or decrease in output, but the fixed cost do not change with level of output. It is always fixed. For example, the rent of the factory and the salaries of the permanent employees and maintenance of buildings and license fees etc. are the examples of the fixed costs. And second types of cost is short-run cost is total variable cost TVC. total variable cost. Total variable cost, which is those costs which vary directly with level of output, it is called as the total variable cost. Total variable cost. For example, wages of temporary employees and a cost of electricity and raw materials cost, etc. These are the examples for the total variable cost. These are the total variable costs of examples. Total variables. The variables, it means that when output increases, the total cost also increases. When output decreases, the total or cost also decreases. There may be variable, means output and inputs, both cost are variables in the short run. It is the second types of the cost of production or the types of cost, that is total variable cost. The total variable cost, those costs which directly vary with the level of output, it is called the total variable cost. The examples, wages of the permanent employees or wages of the temporary employees and cost of electricity and the raw materials cost are the examples for the total variable cost. And third, the types of cost is, that is a total cost. The total cost incur the total expenditure of the factors of production to produce the production or commodity is called the total cost. Once again, the total expenditure incurred by the firm on the factors of production required for the production of a commodity is called the total cost. The total cost is the sum of total fixed cost and the total variable cost at various levels of output. And total cost can be written as TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. The total cost included TFC, total fixed cost, and total variable costs. It is written as TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. It means that total cost included, total cost is equal to TFC means total fixed cost plus total variable cost. These two cost, total fixed cost and the total variable cost, are included in the total cost. It is called as the total cost. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. It is the total cost. And fourth shortened cost is the average fixed cost, AFC. Average fixed cost, AFC. The average fixed cost is or refers to the per unit of fixed cost of production is called as the average fixed cost. Average fixed cost. Average fixed cost, it means that, or it refers to per unit of fixed cost of production is called as the average fixed cost. We can obtain the average fixed cost by the dividing the total fixed cost by number of units of productions or units of produced. So, the average fixed cost can be calculated by dividing AFC is equal to TFC divided by Q. AFC, average fixed cost, is equal to total fixed cost divided by Q. It is the calculated by the total fixed cost divided by Q. How to find out the AFC? AFC is divided by the total fixed cost and total output. So the formula is AFC is equal to TFC divided by Q is the total or average fixed cost. It is the average fixed cost. And fifth one is average variable cost, AVC, average variable cost. It is the per unit of variable cost of production is called the average variable cost. Average variable cost. It is calculated by dividing the TVC by total output. The average variable cost is calculated by divided TVC by total output. That is how to find out the AVC. AVC is equal to TVC divided by Q. AVC is equal to TVC divided by Q. AVC means average variable cost is equal to total variable cost divided by Q. It is calculated that AVC is calculated by dividing the TVC divided by Q. It is the average variable cost. And the sixth one is average cost. Average cost refers to it is per unit of cost. Average cost means it is per unit of total cost of production is called as the average cost. The average cost can be calculated on the it obtained in average cost by dividing cost of the number of units produced. So the AC is equal to TC divided by Q. AC means average cost is equal to total cost divided by Q. It is the average cost. Average cost. It is average cost. Average cost it is per unit of the total cost of production is called as the average cost. The average cost can be calculated. The AC is equal to TC divided by Q. It is average cost. And last one is that is marginal cost. Last one is the marginal cost. Marginal cost refers to it is an extra unit of cost produced by the number of units. Marginal cost, the cost of production, an extra unit of a commodity is called marginal cost. The marginal cost can be calculated with the help of the following formula. The marginal cost is equal to TCN minus 1. The marginal cost is equal to TCN minus 1. That is the formula of marginal cost. So these are the 7 types of cost of production in short run. What are the types of short run cost? One is fixed cost, and second one is total variable cost, and third one is total cost. Fourth one is average fixed cost, and fifth one is average variable cost, and sixth one is average cost, and the seventh one is marginal cost. So these are the 7 types of the short-run costs are there. So you have to prepare these cost of productions or types of cost of productions in short runs. These are the short runs. Short runs are the both fixed cost and variable costs are there. In long run there is no fixed cost, variable cost are there. But in case of short run cost there is a fixed cost and the variable cost. So you have to prepare well and keep remember till examinations and care of these 7 types of short run costs, and you have to write the meaning of the what do you mean by the short run cost and what do you mean by fixed cost and total variable cost and the total cost and average fixed cost and the average variable cost and average cost and the marginal cost. In examinations these are can be or they will ask the question or it will these are the very near to the examples. So you have to prepare well, and please note you have to study hard. Thank you one and all, and please I request you subscribe my channels. Thank you one and all.